Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're taking a closer look at a true American luxury icon from the golden era of big automobiles. Standing before us is this stunning 1976 Cadillac Fleetwood, finished in a rich brown exterior color that perfectly captures the elegance and prestige of the mid-1970s. This isn't just a car, it's a rolling piece of automotive history, representing a time when comfort, size, and luxury were king. If you love classic American cars, you're definitely going to enjoy this one. The first thing that grabs your attention is its sheer presence. The 1976 Cadillac Fleetwood is massive, stretching over 19 feet in length. Parked next to modern vehicles, it immediately dominates the scene with its long body, broad stance, and unmistakable Cadillac styling. The brown paint gives this Fleetwood a sophisticated and timeless appearance. It's not flashy or overly bright, but instead delivers a refined luxury vibe that perfectly suits the character of the car. Walking around the front, you're greeted by Cadillac's signature chrome grille, a design that instantly communicates prestige. The large rectangular headlights sit proudly on either side, while the chrome bumper extends across the entire front end, adding to the vehicle's commanding appearance. Every detail on this car reflects the luxury standards Cadillac was known for during the 1970s. Moving down the side profile, the Fleetwood's incredible proportions become even more apparent. The long hood, expansive cabin, and extended rear deck create a silhouette that's impossible to mistake for anything else. Chrome trim runs along the body, accentuating the elegant lines. The brown finish works beautifully with all the chrome accents, creating a classy contrast that still turns heads decades later. The wheel covers are classic Cadillac, designed to provide a smooth and elegant appearance rather than a sporty one. This car wasn't built for aggressive driving or racing, it was built to transport passengers in absolute comfort. Even standing still, the Fleetwood projects an image of effortless luxury. At the rear, you'll find large vertical taillights and another massive chrome bumper. The Cadillac badging and Fleetwood emblems remind everyone that this was one of the most prestigious luxury sedans available in America at the time. Every angle of this car reflects a design philosophy focused on comfort, elegance, and status. Interior. Now let's open the door and step inside, because this is where the Fleetwood truly shines. As soon as you enter, you're welcomed by an incredibly inviting brown interior that perfectly complements the exterior color. The cabin feels less like a car and more like a luxury living room on wheels. The seats are wide, soft, and incredibly comfortable. Unlike modern performance-oriented seats that hug your body tightly, these are designed for relaxed cruising. The plush cushioning allows you to sink in and enjoy the ride, whether you're driving across town or embarking on a cross-country journey. The brown upholstery creates a warm and luxurious atmosphere throughout the cabin. Combined with wood grain trim and chrome accents, the interior feels sophisticated yet comfortable. Cadillac engineers understood that luxury wasn't just about appearance, it was about creating an environment where passengers could relax completely. The dashboard features a classic layout with large, easy-to-read gauges and straightforward controls. Everything is designed with convenience in mind. The steering wheel is large and elegant, perfectly suited to the Fleetwood's character. Looking over the expansive hood from the driver's seat gives you a sense of authority that few modern vehicles can replicate. One of the most impressive aspects of the Fleetwood is the amount of interior space. Front passengers enjoy generous legroom and shoulder room, but it's the rear seat that truly showcases Cadillac luxury. Rear passengers have enough space to stretch out and travel in complete comfort. It's easy to understand why vehicles like this were popular among executives, celebrities, and anyone who valued a premium travel experience. The attention to detail throughout the cabin is remarkable. Soft materials, quality trim pieces, thick carpeting, and carefully crafted design elements all contribute to the feeling of luxury. Even decades later, a well-preserved Fleetwood still delivers a special experience that modern vehicles often struggle to match. Performance. Now when it comes to performance, the 1976 Cadillac Fleetwood is not about speed or aggressive driving dynamics. Instead, it is all about smoothness and effortless cruising. Under the hood, you typically find a large V8 engine, often a 7.0-liter or similar displacement depending on configuration, paired with a traditional automatic transmission. The engine produces a deep, relaxed rumble rather than a sharp roar, and it delivers power in a calm, steady manner. Acceleration is not quick by modern standards, but it is consistent and refined, allowing the car to glide forward without strain. This is a vehicle designed for highways and long open roads, where it can cruise comfortably at steady speeds. The suspension setup is extremely soft, tuned to absorb bumps and imperfections in the road with ease. When driving the Fleetwood, you float more than you drive, as the car isolates you from rough surfaces and road noise. Steering is light but not very sharp, reinforcing the idea that this car was never meant for sporty handling. Instead, it prioritizes comfort, stability, and a sense of calmness behind the wheel. Fuel consumption, as expected from a large 1970s V8 luxury sedan, is on the heavier side, but during that time, efficiency was not the primary concern for Cadillac buyers. What mattered was the feeling of power available on demand and the smoothness of delivery. Pricing. In terms of pricing, the 1976 Cadillac Fleetwood today sits in a very interesting position in the classic car market. When it was new, it was considered a high-end luxury vehicle, often priced significantly above average sedans, making it a symbol of status and success. Buyers in the 1970s were paying for comfort, brand prestige, and American luxury engineering at its peak. Today, the value of a 1976 Fleetwood depends heavily on condition, originality, mileage, and restoration quality. A well-maintained example with original parts and clean interior can command a higher price among collectors who appreciate vintage American luxury cars. On the other hand, models that need restoration or have been modified may be more affordable and often attract enthusiasts looking for a project car. The brown color, if original and well-preserved, can also add uniqueness since period-correct shades are increasingly appreciated in the collector market. Overall, while it is not among the most expensive classic Cadillacs, it holds strong value for those who admire 1970s automotive design and the golden era of American cruising culture. Driving or even just sitting in a 1976 Cadillac Fleetwood gives you a sense of connection to a time when cars were built with a different philosophy. It is not about racing or technology overload, but about presence, comfort, and identity. Every detail, from the heavy doors to the soft seats and long hood, tells you that this car was designed to make an impression. It was built for people who wanted to arrive somewhere with dignity and style, not speed. Even today, it carries that same energy. On the road, people still look at it, not because it is loud or flashy, but because it represents a design language that has almost disappeared from modern manufacturing. As we wrap up this look at the 1976 Cadillac Fleetwood in its classic brown finish, it is clear that this car is more than just transportation. It is a reminder of an era where luxury meant space, chrome, and comfort in its purest form. It is a vehicle that prioritizes the journey over the destination, offering a driving experience that is calm, smooth, and deeply nostalgic. Whether you are a collector, an enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates automotive history, the Fleetwood stands as a beautiful example of American automotive heritage. It is bold without being aggressive, luxurious without being complicated, and timeless in a way that modern cars often try to replicate but rarely match. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss any future classic car content. Drop a comment below and tell me what you think about the 1976 Cadillac Fleetwood or which classic car you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.